Hi friends, how are you guys doing? Today is another round of product recommendation. In front of me is this automatic grinders versus the manual grinders. For the pricing, both have the price tag of about 7 USD. But this is only 100 ml and this has the capacity of 900 ml. But this is automatic and this is manual. Let's take a look at their design. For these automatic grinders, it consists of 3 blade, 100 ml capacity, and the charging port is right over here, micro USB. The on-off switch is right over here. You need to hold on it in order for the motor to spin, alright? There's a plate to prevent the food pieces from spilling over to the motor over here, alright? And for the manual grinders, there's a handle for you to pull so that the motor will spin when you pull. And it consists of 4 blade and the capacity is 900 ml, so you can put more items into it for grinding, alright? Just be careful of all the blades, they are really sharp. Now let's go on and grind something and see which will do a better job, alright? Okay, we'll use the same material for both of the grinders. 2 onions, 3 garlic, 1 carrot, alright? And let's see how they perform. Alright, the timer is here, so both of the grinder will grind about 10 seconds. Alright, the grinding starts now. Ten seconds up. Okay, now let's put the items into this 900 ml manual grinders. You can put more because it's a larger. Okay, the manual grinding starts now. Okay, stop. Alright, both of the grinders has done their job. And I find that you need to cut the food item into the much smaller pieces in order for the motor to move. Alright, let's take a look at the result. And you can see from here, the pieces are not really small. You need much more timing to grind into a much more smaller pieces. Alright, and let's take a look at the manual grinder. And for the manual grinder, as you can see, the pieces are much more evenly cut, and then much more smaller pieces. It cuts them into a much more smaller pieces, alright? But you need manual work to grind the item, alright? Take note of this sharp blade, is really sharp, alright? And for the last part is to wash the item. Just wash with water and gentle washing foam for this manual grinder. And do the same for the automatic grinder, just that this part can't be washed because it has the battery inside. And then just wipe it with a clean cloth will do. And just take note of the blade, they are very sharp. And if you find it oxidized, rusty, just don't use it, alright? And that marks the end of my video. Take care everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye.